New just listed home, 9501 45th Way North, Pinellas Park, Florida. By Cindy Doobie from the Military Veteran Team. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath home on spacious 1,091 square feet of charming space in a cozy, well-managed area. Inside, the bright, completely vacant living area provides a clean and open canvas, perfect for any furniture arrangement. This space flows into a well-equipped kitchen featuring practical ceramic tile and a functional design ready for your personal touch. The layout hosts a peaceful primary suite and a versatile second bedroom, both offering quiet retreats. These are served by 2 full bathrooms featuring intentional designs that provide both comfort and utility. Outdoors, enjoy a private patio perfect for relaxing. Schedule your showing today.
Buy or sell with us and move for free in Pinellas County. Google Military Veteran Realtor Team and see why we're #1 on Google.